There's that 4 clap count. That means MrNiiMer is back, and I am back with MrNiiMerGeeks. So I think this is kind of working out, and I'll still continue doing this till maybe I'll come up with a new intro. But yes, I am back with my rummaging on the internet and finding things or posts that interest me, and then that can segue into solutions that I have in my real life. Now, today's post is from, I saw this on the Instagram again. I think most of the tech news is now coming from Instagram. I don't know why. I think now you go to YouTube, and then maybe other platforms or like videos and then tutorials and all that kind of stuff. But then if you want like the quick news, I think it's all about Instagram. So today I saw this post from an account called Fix Carao. Fix Carao. I think it's an Indian account. And then I just saw something that intrigued me, so that I was like, oh, let me come in and make a video about it and then put it out on the internet. And if it's able to help anyone out, then I'm good. So I saw this, and then the post was, uh, I saw this, and the post was, if you have a laptop or a PC, you should definitely have these, and they are all free, right? So if you have a laptop or a PC, then you should definitely have all of these things we are going to talk about because they are all free. Now, I've already downloaded the posts from Instagram, so I have the various pictures, and if anything, we'll go into Google as well, and then just do a little bit of research on that. So the first thing they wanted to talk about was LocalSend, and I've already made a video about LocalSend. So if you are here, um, and then you're watching this, and then you would like to like know how or what LocalSend is about, we're actually going to talk about it now. But if you want to know how it works and everything, you can check out the other videos that I have. So here it says LocalSend, so airdrop for Windows. Well, that's a cool tag. I think when I was doing my video, I should have used this airdrop for Windows. So it's free, no account needed. You send files between your phone and PC instantly over Wi-Fi. No cables, no cloud upload, and then no waiting. So again, if you're out there and you don't know what LocalSend is, like they said, LocalSend is airdrop for Windows, but literally this is LocalSend. So their website is localsend.org, and then it works just like airdrop. It's an app. You install the client, or you install it on your PC, or you install it on whatever device you want to use. So if you want to send something from an iPhone to an Android, you just install apps on the Android side and then an app on the iOS side, and then you just use both to send and then receive files. So that's LocalSend for you. The next one was Malwarebytes. Now, I've been seeing Malwarebytes, and to be honest, I've never really wanted to use Malwarebytes. So let's check out what Malwarebytes is about. We'll come back to it, but the post was saying not a replacement for Windows Defender, but I back up to it. It runs alongside and catches what Defender occasionally misses, and it's not that heavy too as well. So here Malwarebytes says, Malwarebytes official website. Okay, so let's do it this way. What is Malwarebytes? So Malwarebytes is a popular cybersecurity software designed to find, block, and then remove malicious threats like viruses, ransomware, spyware, and adware from computers and mobile phones. It works alongside or in place of traditional antivirus programs to target hard to detect infections. So these are the core features: on-demand scanning, finds and scans or cleans up existing malware and hardware on your device; real-time protection, pay tiers, block threats, ransomware, and malicious websites automatically before they harm your system; and then browser guard, a free extension that blocks intrusive ad trackers and then scam sites. So there's version and prices. So I think it's literally like um, any of the antiviruses out there. I remember I used to use Kaspersky. So if you're out there and you haven't heard of Kaspersky, then you, you haven't been into tech that long. But yeah, I used to use Kaspersky back then. Now I actually use what's the name? semantic endpoint protection. I use that. So if you're out there and then you want to try it out, this is how it looks like. So um, it's semantic. It's at least it's also lightweight, but it's very powerful. The one thing I kind of don't like about it, it's no BS. It's a no BS like protection, endpoint protection. So you see something small, there's going to be a delete or a block or something. So you will really have to be hands-on with it in order to use your PC the way you want to use it. So I have that alongside. So that could be also be something. So if you don't want to use Malwarebytes, you can use endpoint semantic. So semantic endpoint protection, right? So semantic endpoint protection. Let it open and then let me go to. Do they even have an about? I don't think they have an about, but yeah, it's here in the corner. So if you're out there, then you would want to use it. You can check it out. So semantic endpoint protection. I think it's free too, so you can use it for free, and then it has almost everything in there. You can literally go through that quick. So quick. So you can scan for threats like Malwarebytes can do. These are the settings, but literally these are the things. So virus and then spyware protection, proactive threat protection, and then network and then host exploit mitigation. So it does all of that. Now the next one too was Notepad plus plus. Now I've tried installing Notepad plus plus and then use it, but I think I would just stick to the normal Notepad that comes with Windows. But it says actual replacement. So this is an actual replacement for Windows Notepad. Handles huge files without freezing, and then works for codes or code logs, configs, and then anything text based. Let's check it out. I want to like do a comparison. So uh, Notepad Plus versus Notepad. So let's see what the AI overview will come with. So Microsoft Notepad is a simple pre-installed Windows text utility for quick notes, whereas Notepad++ is a powerful free open source code and text editor designed for advanced tasks like programming and then large file. Okay, sure. I think if I had wanted to go into programming, I would literally just use an IDE. I have VS Code in here, so I just use VS Code instead. I don't know why I have to maybe like go and then use um what's the name, Notepad++. But okay, so key differences. So installation, Notepad comes built in with Windows. Notepad++ must be downloaded separately. Interface, Notepad uses a single window with minimal options. Notepad++ supports multiple tabs, split screens, and then a customizable workplace. Okay, so I think maybe the workspace, but then the new Notepad nowadays also has multiple tabs, or at least you can open various Notepad or Notepad files in one Notepad program. So I think that's already there. So coding support, well, yes, Notepad doesn't have syntax and all that kind of stuff, so I get it. So it says Notepad lacks syntax highlighting or code folding. Notepad++ supports a color coding for over 80 programming languages. And then search tools. Notepad has a basic find and replace feature. Notepad++ uses advanced rechecks. Let's do the thing again. So double click. Wow, it doesn't really. Okay, yeah, it does. So regex. So a regular expression. Okay, a regular expression searching across multiple files and then open tabs. Oh, okay, so something like searching a workbook in Excel. Okay, that's cool. And then plugins. So Notepad cannot be expanded. Notepad++ supports committee plugins for added functions like file compression or code formatting. Okay, so that's cool. So which one should you use? Use Notepad for quick throwaway notes, viewing simple text files or TXT logs, or basic text pasting. And then use Notepad++ for writing code, editing configuration files, comparing documents, or managing multiple text files at once. Okay. Well, I think that's cool. That's cool. So the next, if you see me clicking this button, this is something in the Windows Photo app. So if you're out there and you use the Windows Photo app, if you have any image that has text in there, you can just go down here and then click on the scan text. There's this other option too for virtual search. So you can literally maybe search for, you can click on this and then it will search for something if you're connected to the internet through Bing, you see, or through your default browser. So I think because Chrome is my default browser, that's why it's bringing up this. So when you click this, it will do a search for you. So it search for it, and these are the results that I got. Okay, but it's still going to take you to Bing. Oh, that's still cool. But then yeah, I use this a lot. So you click on it and then it will scan every text in a picture and then give you the ability to copy and then paste it. The next one is NirSoft ProduKey. So instantly shows you the product keys for Windows and Office installed on your PC. Useful for the day you need to reinstall and then can't find the box it came in. Oh, okay. This is cool. So if you have Windows or Office installed and you want to see the key that you are using, the product key that you are using, then you can use NirSoft. So NirSoft. NirSoft ProduKey. So PRODUKEY. The next one was Glary Utilities. So Glary Utilities is an all-in-one cleanup tool, junk files, broken shortcuts, startup manager, all in one dashboard instead of 5 separate apps. Okay, that's cool. Glary Utilities. Let's do a little bit of research on it and then see. So Glary Utilities. So what is Glary Utilities? What is that? What did I type? You gave me. Oh, okay. It's not double R. Okay, cool. So it says Glary Utilities is a popular all-in-one system optimization and maintenance software suite designed for Windows personal computers. It features over 20 integrated tools to clean junk files, fix registry errors, speed up boot times, protect privacy, and then improve overall computer performance. So key features: one-click maintenance, so automatically scans and then repairs common system issues like invalid shortcuts, registry programs, problems, and then temporary files in a single click. Disk cleanup and then space management, so removes residual junk files. Sorry about this. Residual junk files, finds duplicate files, and then analyzes disk space usage. Okay, that's cool. Startup manager controls which programs run when Windows boots up to help your computer start up fast. Privacy and security. It raises browsing history, cookies, and then cache files, and includes a file shredder for permanent deletion. Permanent deletion. System tools offers an uninstaller manager, software updater, memory optimizer, and file recovery capabilities. Okay, so then that's cool. Then I'll try it out. I'll try it out. So this one was what? Glary Utilities. And then the next one is Process Explorer. So Microsoft's own upgraded task manager shows you what a process actually is, the files it has opened, the connections it's making, what's launched it. Task manager tells you some things using high CPU speed. Okay, so Process Explorer. Let's check that one too out. What is Process Explorer? So Process Explorer is an advanced free task manager and system monitoring tool for Windows, created by Microsoft as part of the sys internal suite. Okay, I never knew there was a suite like that. It shows you exactly which files, folders, and DLL files open or use your system, helping you track down software bugs, locked files, and then hidden malware. So its key features are two-pane layout. The top windows lists active programs in a family tree style, showing parent and child processes. The bottom window reveals specific file handles or loaded DLL files depending on the mode you pick. So find handle 2 instantly tracks down which program is locking a file so you can close it and then delete or move the file. Virus total integration can check running program files against online security database to spot viruses and then bad software. Detailed properties. Right clicking any process opens deep logs on the memory, security, and then network connections and graphic card GPU usage. Okay, so its main uses are for troubleshooting freezes. So whenever your machine freezes, finding out why an app stopped working or which process causes high CPU loads, unlocking files, fixing errors that say a file is in use by any program, malware hunting, spotting hidden background processes that standard task manager might miss. Okay, that's cool. Well, I'm really learning this. So process explorer. So I'll download all of these and then try them out. So then it says this is the last picture from the post. So it says these 5 apps do more than half the cleaner software you have paid for. And when your device needs fixing, Fixara, Fixcarao, Fixcarao is here. So I don't know if you're out there in India, check out Fixcarao. If you're on the internet too, you would check out Fixcarao too as well. So again, the uh, things you will need. So it says if you have a laptop or a PC, you should definitely have these, and all of them are free. So the first one was LocalSend, the second was Malwarebytes, the third was Notepad++, the fourth was NirSoft ProduKey, the fifth was Glary Utilities, and the last one was Process Explorer by Windows or Microsoft. So again, if you're out there and you've watched this video and then any of these things seem interesting to you, I think you should check them out and then download them and then see how they work. If this whole video too was helpful to you, and then you think it might help another person out there, I pray that you share it to them. If you like the video too, give us a thumbs up. If you go as far as a subscription too, that would be helpful. And if you have any feedback of any sort, send me a comment or put it in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and we'll be back with the next one.